Imagine pain so severe it stops you in your tracks. Yet there is no wound, no bruise, nothing to see. This is neuralgia, invisible nerve pain that millions suffer in silence. Think of your nerves as body's electrical wiring. When damaged, they misfire. Like a short circuit, they can't turn off. Whether it attacks your face, follows shingles, or strikes the back of your head, the message is always the same: unbearable agony. The symptoms are brutal: electric shocks, burning. A breeze or brushing your teeth suddenly becomes a nightmare. Worse, standard tests often back normal. Patients are left dismissed and desperate for answers. Treatments exist, but they often fail or carry heavy side effects. Don't let invisible pain control your life. Discover what doctors aren't telling you. Visit cloudtechbull.com now for critical information that could change everything.